Hello my amazing subscriber. Hi guys. I hope you will have great. So today's video is all about was top 5 most expensive spices. So if you are telling why it's need to know, then I can say it's need to become a genius. The step. Because if you want to be smart, if you want to intelligence, everything is you need to know. When you will be know the most expensive spices in the world, what is, you will be shocked. Yeah. Why? Then I can say. So don't give and don't be skip these videos. Watch full videos, and you will be know why. So number 1 most expensive spices in the world is saffron. It's growing in a lot of countries, most countries, but especially is from Asian countries like Iran, India, but not Indian also, but in Indian Kashmir. Okay. And then number 2, the most expensive spices in the world is vanilla. It's also growing in a lot of countries, but especially South American countries is best for vanilla. Mexico and a lot of countries, Madagascar is in country. So number 3 is the most expensive spice in the world is cardamom. And the number 4 most expensive spices in the world is cloves. And number 5 most expensive spices in the world is cinnamon. So I hope guys you all will like these videos, because I will be informing the viewers for every part which I learn in my life, which I achieve in my life. I travel a lot of places, I read a lot of books, I watch a lot of videos, and I learn a lot of things that I want to share with the people who want to become a genius. If you come in my channel's first time, subscribe and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share with friends. And I hope soon you will be smart, because I want to share everything which I achieve in my life, which I learn in my life. That's so don't forget to subscribe my channels. And I'm also grateful for those people who is subscribing my channel and who is watching my videos around the world. Before 2 videos ago, I checked my channel and I see myself watching videos which comes from around the world. So I was so excited. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.